Good morning, students. In this video, I am going to explain how to write Python programs based on conditional statement. So, let's move toward the list of the programs we are going to make in this session. Our first program is write a program to input day number and display weekday using if dash elif statement in Python. Open Python software. Click at option file, choose option new file. D equal to int input, enter day number. If d double equal to 1 colon print Sunday. Ellipse d equal to colon print Monday. Ellipse d equal to 3 colon print Tuesday. Ellipse d equal to 4 equal to 5 Thursday. Ellipse d equal to 6 Friday. Ellipse d equal to 7 Saturday. S colon print invalid day number entered. Now click at option file, choose option save as, save your file. Now click at option run, choose option run module. Program is asking to enter day number. If you enter 1, your output will be Sunday. If you enter 2, the program will print Monday. And if you enter 8, then program will display invalid day number entered. Now our second program is write a program in Python to input two numbers and find out the largest number using if dash else statement in Python. Open Python software. Click at option file, choose option new file. A equal to int input, enter first number. First we have to enter two numbers here. If A is greater than B, colon, print the largest number is A, if B greater than A, colon, print the largest number is B, else, colon, print both numbers are equal. click at option file, click at option save your file. Now click at option run and run module. Enter first number 12, enter second number 13. The largest number is 13. If you enter first number 12, second number 12, then answer both numbers are equal. Thank you. Have a nice day.